Ladies and gentlemen.
And hi, my name is Jacob, and welcome back to the fun experiments with George and Jacob. That's George, I'm Jacob. Last experiment, we did a exothermic exercise. We decided that we're gonna do one experiment per episode, so Jonnell is still here as our helper. So what's going on? Let's go on in. Oh, there you are. Well, so we're gonna do the random number generator again. 6 to 295. Let's see what we get. There we go. 199. Okay. So we're gonna go to 199. So we landed on today we are gonna do Foucault's pendulum. I hope I said that right. I'm not sure. So a kneading needle.
Knitting needle?
Yeah.
Knitting.
George, this is your house.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh wait, a knitting needle?
Knitting.
Oh, I don't have a knitting needle. No one in our family knits.
I was gonna say, I don't think you do. Unfortunately, I've never seen one around here.
Yeah, I thought you meant
I don't
sewing
have
needle.
any knitting needles anymore either.
Yeah.
I used
To the store.
Walmart. Welcome everybody to our local Walmart.
Maybe. So this is the knitting needle, right? So can we use like a nail?
That's a screw. I think.
No, because we don't have anything that says screw, so we can just use a screw for that.
Yeah, that's I think the knitting needle.
So we're
You
gonna
want a
we're gonna
We could use
substitute.
a pencil for that.
We could use a nail or a
Nail, pencil, screw. Yeah, it just wants you to put the knitting needle into the ball.
screw. Okay, so we need a ball and a
Something to stab into it.
that
Okay,
that
I'm
too.
not breaking my ball.
Yeah, that would be a problem. You need a ball to stab.
Two tops.
Poke, is that a nicer word?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry, guys.
Let's go to tops real quick.
that's a bad idea.
Oh.
Well, I mean, it's a good idea, but bad timing.
Bad timing, that's true. Would a tape ball be heavy enough?
Tape ball. What's a tape ball?
Oh,
It has to have at least a little weight. That's the only thing.
we could like put something on it.
You could just tie a string around the ball. I don't know why you have to push anything through the ball.
Because it's gonna draw on the.
Oh, well, it's a knitting
draw a
needle,
line.
though. How are you going to draw with a knitting
Because
needle?
there's a piece of chalk right there.
I didn't read the whole thing.
Yeah, neither did I. I didn't read any of it. Okay.
We'll be
Intermission. Intermission. Totally not just. No, we're now recording. We weren't recording.
Okay, we can't do this one, but we're gonna do another number generator.
Experiment too long.
No, this is scrapping this experiment. So
I'm running out of battery.
so let's do this again. 206. Let's get it.
Experiment at the counter.
Jacob, we're moving our area. The counter.
Oh. Okay.
What's that one?
Earth's been record. So we have to make a poster right now.
Oh my gosh. These are like. I thought they were gonna be a bunch of easy things mimicking hard things, but I guess that's pretty.
So
Oh, sorry. No. Sorry, it's locking onto something behind you. Not you. There we go. It's recording.
So 206 is just some Earth's wind records. So we're gonna go to the next one. Is air takes up space. Okay, so we're gonna need a funnel. We have that, I know, because from our past experiments. The empty soda bottle. So I know we have that one bottle over there. Did you guys take out trash yet?
I have no clue. Might still be there. What, the Gatorade bottle?
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Seltzer.
And this time it doesn't have to have the cap.
Nice.
We need wide masking tape or clay water.
Clay water? Clay water?
Well, we pretty much have that. I'm kidding. I don't know how we would get clay water. You know the camera's still locked on Jeffrey's.
Yeah, I know.
Just like, what are you gonna do?
We're trying to figure out how air is like. How do we?
It just wants you to tape it or stick the clay in around it. So I think I don't know I've never heard anyone call it clay water before, but I just think they mean like
Clay that's waterproof. That wouldn't let water come out. Because what they're saying is to use the tape to tape the funnel around the opening of that bottle. So that no air is going in or out
around the sides of the funnel.
So
Makes
it
sense.
says. So we need the funnel, George. Where'd you guys put the funnel?
Down here?
This camera moving is the gimbal, not me. Or Georg. George. I'm over here. No, I'm over here. No, I'm over here. No, I'm what?
That's enough. Thank you.
So we need tape, masking tape,
Masking tape.
styrofoam.
I'm gonna finish eating my
That's
crackers.
styrofoam? It feels like styrofoam.
Not styrofoam, it's metal.
That's metal. Okay.
Aluminum, probably? Maybe? No.
I think ours is meant to go a bit deeper, but okay. Masking tape.
It would appear to have masking tape, but I can't see why duct tape wouldn't work.
Okay, let's do duct tape.
That works. I got crackers.
George, nobody cares about your crackers. Just kidding, they do. It's a very important. You
Excuse
can
me?
do the honors of taping this around
Oh, cool.
so no air can get in.
Wait, me or her?
Both of you.
Okay.
So there's no space around the. There's no space air can get through.
Mm-hmm.
Get through.
You get pushed down.
Mm-hmm.
We should probably cover some of mine.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna.
Oh, it's still locked onto you. I'm not gonna make it.
So apparently there's no Okay, so we need some reason it messed up because it doesn't even say water or where to put water. So we need to put, if we did this right, if we put water in here, the water will not go down into the funnel because there's no air.
That can't be true.
It will be
Because
true.
there's air coming in there. And there's air in there.
But it doesn't say anything about water, so. But it says what happens.
I think this is meant to be on its own line. Wide masking tape or clay, comma, or on its own line, water.
Ah, okay.
I think they did mess up there.
And then they messed up the instruction.
Right.
So we need some just milk. This glass of milk will work.
Wash it out first.
Yeah.
I just caught a piece of glass.
Very good catch.
If we did this, George, you can do the honors and pour it into the funnel.
Okay.
But I think we should put maybe one more round of duct tape. Just in case.
I agree.
Like any tape. There's a
Should like maybe one more around. I mean, we don't need it, but just for extra.
For extra protection. Like. The problem is the shape is weird to tape with such thick tape. My recommendation is to try to pour it in quickly rather than slowly.
Yeah, that's good.
Is this in view?
Yes.
George, you can do it. So if we're gonna
The Kindle, there we go.
Yeah, so
Or like all of it. So yeah, there we go. Okay, my pants are a bit wet now, but
my
that's
hand, my
fine.
whole hand is.
It ended up going into the bowl.
So
Some of it,
So
but most of
here's the
it went
deal.
out.
If that was a more narrow funnel, and
We have
absolutely
one
certain that it was airtight, they are correct. The air takes up space. It would not be able to get past the air.
Oh.
If you drip a little bit in, yes, at a time, then it will just, the air will have time to go out.
Yeah.
So it would either bubble out or the water wouldn't go anywhere. Did you hear how it kind of had that bubble noise?
Yeah.
That's because there's still a little bit of air getting through our.
Where's the other funnel from
Tape
last
job.
time? That's the ones that.
A more narrow funnel
That's what the
would definitely help.
Is that the way like when you pour out of a bottle and it goes? Bloop, bloop?
Exactly,
Okay.
because the air is having to go somewhere. And if you angle it so that the air in the liquid can flow continuously, then you won't have that. So sorry about your knee, by the way.
All right, guys.
But I
So
was
the
trying to
other.
demonstrate.
Yeah, it's fine.
So both of these were
olive.
failures, but we.
No.
Both of them worked.
Yeah.
This one is like
The first
maybe
one we
a
didn't have-
quarter of a failure.
First one we would have to use 2 hours. We couldn't.
Oh, you mean the pendulum one? Yeah, that one was just a no-go though. We didn't even try, so I wouldn't even call that a fail.
So
Yeah.
we would say it does. That's how it does work.
That is how it does work. If we had an absolutely airtight seal and a smaller opening to the funnel.
So yeah. So see you guys next episode.
Sorry that it didn't work at all.
Yeah. Okay. He's trying. Wait, how do you drink out of this?
I don't know if I would.
Oh, she uses this for draining milk. Okay.